And so the latest twist in Daredevil Born Again Season 2 didn't just shock viewers, it completely rewrote the future of the story. Episode 7, titled The Hateful Darkness, ends with a brutal and unexpected decision. Daniel Blake is killed by his own ally, Buck Cashman. But what makes this moment even more fascinating is that it almost didn't happen that way at all. Throughout the season, Matt Murdock has been building towards a major confrontation with Wilson Fisk, assembling allies and preparing for a larger war. On the other side, Fisk Empire has been unraveling, especially after the death of Vanessa. That loss pushes Fisk into a more desperate and ruthless state, demanding absolute loyalty from everyone around him. Daniel Blake finds himself caught in the middle of all of this. He's never fully committed to Fisk's cause, and his growing connection with BB Ulrich complicates things further. In episode 7, Daniel makes a defining choice. He refuses to betray BB and instead tries to do the right thing. It's a turning point that could have led to redemption, but instead it seals his fate. What makes this twist so impactful is what was originally planned. According to Michael Gandolfini, Daniel was supposed to survive this encounter. There were even scenes filmed where he convinces Buck to let him live, and his story would have continued into the next episode. But somewhere along the way, the creative team changed direction and decided to end his arc right there. And honestly, that decision makes the story stronger. Rather than letting Daniel drift into uncertain future or quietly exit the narrative, the show gives him a meaningful conclusion. His final act, choosing to protect BB despite everything, turns him into a tragic hero. It's not just an ending, it's a statement about who he really was beneath all the moral ambiguity. At the same time, this moment says a lot about Buck Cashman. Up until now, Buck has shown sign of being more than just Fisk enforcer. There were glimpses of humanity in interactions, especially with Daniel. But in that final moment, he makes it clear where his loyalty lies. By killing Daniel, he proves that his alliance to Fisk outweighs any personal connection. That choice reinforces just how dangerous Wilson Fisk truly is. Even friendship can't survive under his rule. Looking ahead, this twist also streamlines the story for future season. Daredevil Born Again already has a packed roster of key players. Karen Page, Jessica Jones, Benjamin Poindexter, and others are all central to the ongoing conflict. Keeping Daniel alive would have required carving out space for his arc, potentially pulling focus away from larger narrative. By giving him a decisive and emotional ending, the show avoids that problem while also raising the stakes. His death adds weight to the story, intensifies the conflicts, and sets the tone for what's coming next. In the end, this wasn't just a shocking twist, it was a calculated move that strengthens the narrative. Daniel Blake's story may be over, but the impact of his final choice will carry forward, shaping the characters and conflicts heading into season 3. Thank you for watching.